all lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Kartika, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon if you want to see more videos from me. So in today's video we're going to dive into a much talked about scent from Bath and Body Works, which is the Dark Velvet Oud. So is it as good as it is hyped about? Let's find out. So first thing first, let's talk about the packaging of this product. It's a pretty basic packaging and I'll not dwell much into it. I'm more excited to share with you about the scent, how it is. And I have sprayed this occasionally a few times before reviewing this product with you. So, but just for your knowledge, I'll just spray it on my wrist like this. It's a very fine mist, okay? And the initial 10 seconds smells like some strong alcohol, okay? Other than that, what I would like to say is there's a very linear smell. It's great for people who love rose scents, and it's a very modern take on oud, which is very well harmonized with the rose scent in it. And it starts with an oud scent, then it settles into mature deep red rose, which you see in these bouquets and all, no? Not the typical Indian rose, it's a very mature rose. And then it settles into a fresh oudi scent. So it's like a feminine perfume in the beginning, but it settles down into unisex, masculine kind of perfume. So it's the best of both worlds. So it's perfect for fall and winter seasons. And I also feel it feels very incense-like, right? That agarbatti one feeling that you get. You feel like that. It's beautiful. It's woody, florals, and I don't find any sweetness in this perfume as mentioned in the notes that it has raspberries in it. Maybe because I'm not used to raspberry scent, I never use such products. But predominantly I can feel rose and oud. So this beautiful scent, it's a very warm, sexy kind of scent. If you love such scents, you will love this. Now talking about the longevity, it performs well. When I had sprayed it on my skin, it lasted for a good 4 to 5 hours. But it can last much longer if you spray it on your clothes, and also the lasting power will keep on increasing if you pair it up with a matching lotion or similar perfume. So it's really good. It performed very well in terms of that aspect. So this is definitely a scent for the evenings. It's for those special occasion, date nights, or even for cozy nights at home when you want to feel a little extra special. Definitely not a best choice for a casual day vibe. But if you want to, experience that, you can do. It's your choice. So if you love warm, woody, and slightly floral scents, this is definitely up to your alley. And if you are someone who loves bold and confident scents which are luxurious, definitely go for it. But if you're someone who gravitates more towards, fruity, citrusy kind of fresh scents, it might be a little bit intense for you, so I will not suggest it for you. So talking about the pros, it's a rich, bold and luxurious scent. It has decent longevity for body mist and it's a great value for price. Cons wise, it's not ideal for those who prefer light or fresh scents and might feel too strong for daytime casual wear. So according to me, Bath and Body Works has done a beautiful job in developing this scent, Dark Velvet Oud. And if you're someone who loves bold and luxurious scents without it being too pricey, it's for you. So yes, that's it for today's video. And have you tried Dark Velvet Oud or any other body mist from the Bath and Body Works collection? If so, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts about it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today's video. Keep smiling, keep shining and keep smelling nice. Bye.